Beishan, ba 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 Beishan, oh Beishan, oh 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 oh. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me. Little tiny village called Beishan, enveloped by the greater Zhuhai, just on the other side from Macau. Hey, 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 ba, 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 Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me. Take me, take me, take me, take me, take me to Beishan. Show me, show me, show me Beishan. Let me see, let me see, let me see Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me. Take me, take me, take me, take me to Beishan. Show me, show me, show me Beishan. Let me see, let me see, let me see Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me.
Okay, we're in Beishan Village. This is kind of a trend hip area of Zhuhai. So we're gonna meander a little bit. We'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are as well. There's interesting stuff pretty much in every direction, and we're kind of in what you might consider to be kind of the heart. I'm just gonna start right in the heart, and we're gonna kind of loop around in circles and show you what it looks like. So let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we have a little bit of Zhuhai, China for you. Let's put this right up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And without further ado, let's get right into it as if you were there yourself. Okay, so we're in Beishan Village. Let's kind of meander around a little bit. Oops, guess they're like right behind me. Little alien thing. Okay, so the square looks like they have some kind of film that they're gonna play later, and then the restaurant that we this right here is called like Pad Thai Bistro. We got Thai food, Indonesian food, Malaysian food, different stuff like that. And then there's another one on that side as well. And you can also explore into all the little alleys all the way around. So we are going to meander in a little bit. And I did another video where I was just kind of walking around and showing you what it looks like. This video I'm gonna do some different streets. This means that person's coming through. That's kind of interesting because that's kind of like the old style. Beishan Village is gentrifying quickly, so there's kind of remnants of the old style and the new style. We're on the new style side. And you got sandwiches like Vietnamese, banh mi, you got the Thailand one, Pad Thai, such like that. But then you also have these, vehicles that are kind of more old style coming through. I mean, they're delivering goods, but they're also like a whole other area down the way here. Okay. So let's kind of meander this direction. Let's see if I can. Let's see. It's kind of cool right there too, right? I guess I can go this way, yeah. Okay. We're just gonna kind of meander around. Some kind of cool restaurant. So I'm gonna try to take the first right that I can. This particular street is this kind of a random street. Here's Coconut Chicken. We'll see what we can see around in here. Here's might be able to walk into one of these a little bit. I kind of want to get into there a little bit, but I think what we're gonna have to do is go around slightly. There we go. So we got some stuff coming up. Could go down one of these alleys as well. Super, yeah. Coconut chicken. More stuff. Let me just kind of see here. So that would kind of lead us back into the main spot. There's some alleys that we could explore down there too, but I am going to go down this way. Stuff down that way. Let's meander this way. Okay. Just kind of give a little bit of a view. So that's kind of the alley that we're exploring a little bit. There's actually alleys that go down here, and I think these are all one big restaurant. Bazaar Chicken Rice. I've walked down there before, so it kind of comes to the end. Let's explore down this way. So let me just kind of see here. Nice little space in there. So yeah, sometimes I've been in here and it's incredibly crowded, and it's not too bad right now. More restaurants. Like nice and safe. This here you can draw. Alright. Something. The restaurant. Okay. A nice looking place too. Okay. Just kind of meandering around. Showing you what Beishan looks like, giving you a taste of it anyways. This is, I have been in this area before, and I've always thought it was kind of interesting because you have this kind of Portuguese looking architecture. Okay. Let's meander a little bit more into the alleys. Then you have some art exhibition areas. There's one right there, big massive door. Looks like it used to be a temple. All kinds of interesting stuff to explore. See, I think this village will just keep expanding and expanding and expanding. Alley goes all the way down. And this alley is a little bit crowded. Okay, so we're gonna try to go all the way down. There we go. Getting a little bit dark. So we're just gonna walk straight into the mess of it again, and we're gonna meander back out, and then we'll call this video an end. But it gives you another taste of Beishan a little bit, what it looks like. So okay, let's try to go this way. Yeah, let's see. Everybody's kind of stuck right there. Let's see if I can move. So yeah, kind of a crowded little alley right there. Kind of want to explore it, but let's walk down it. It looks pretty interesting. Although it is very crowded. It's pretty cool artwork right here. There we go. Really cool artwork. Let's see if I can capture the artwork from a certain angle. So yeah, that artwork is amazing. I think I did another Beishan village where it has that artwork like that. But what I'd like to get is like an image where I can capture that somebody coming in right like that right. Let's keep on walking. There's something called chit. Anyways, little taste of Beishan anyways. Just see what it looks like. And then it's gonna move, we're gonna move into kind of a different feeling area. It's gonna be more quiet. Huh. The shops. Okay. So I think what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna meander into this area. I'm going to be ending this video shortly. It's getting a little bit too dark for the camera, but I do kind of want to see what else is around in here. Okay. Okay. So on that note, we're going to be coming up to the end. So I'm just kind of meandering around at this point. I've moved away from where more of the shops and restaurants are at, and we're kind of walking towards a mall area. And I guess on that note, we'll find a good spot to end. Maybe I should go to the end. Just kind of see what else is here. There's the coffee shops. There's a few more things in this area. See things. Odin and curry. Okay, so I think that's going to be the end. So hopefully you like this one as well. Little slices of Beishan and Zhuhai. It's a nice restaurant right there. Pork shop. And we're gonna come out in some little bakery and tea. Yo pure. Okay, so now we're just coming into a park, and we're gonna we'll just show you what it looks like. You can see what it looks like from here. So yeah, you're just kind of entering into a little village, right? Got some nice painting on the walls down there. And this just comes into a park, and then there's a major road and a mall over on the other side, and a gas station right there. Okay, so it's Hengqin Village.
Little tiny village called Beishan.